always asking me, what is the windshield repair business like? Well, with the Crack Eraser branded windshield repair chip and long crack repair system, you can do what I'm going to do today. This is going to be a day in my life. First, I made my lunch. I start about 10 o'clock, running just a little bit late today. Then I look for the CEO. Cooper, come buddy. Get the CEO. Pick him up. And we go to work. You ready to go to work, Mr. Coops? Yeah? Okay. Well, let's do it then. What is my Alrighty. This is the grocery store. I've been here for 22 years, 23, going on 23 now. It's a long time. This kind of baffles me. So it's just about noon, about 10 till, and I was just going through my invoices. That one's 88, that one's 80, this one's 88. Those are all chips. This was a crack, that was 160. So we're total at noon of $415 and 4 vehicles. Not too bad. Okay, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just went over 1,000 in sales for the day. And so that's 11 vehicles and over $1,000 from about 10:15 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a beautiful, pleasant, wonderful day in Colorado. This is very typical for what I do. So, that was our goal today, is to give you an idea of what it would be like to own your own business. It'd be like to have your own location, because we have those locations where we set you up with everything you need, from the lettering on your vehicle to the signage to the agreement with the property manager to a Google Places, just drive more traffic, to the training, to the toolkit. I mean, it's pretty much everything you would need to get started. And the people that we've done this for have been very successful. Now, they won't be doing $1,000 a day right away. They got to build the business, but the potential is definitely there, and people a year later are doing very well with their businesses. so a day in the life of a Crack Eraser branded windshield repair business owner has completed. We started at 10:15 this morning. We quit at it's 5:01 now. We did 14 vehicles and $1,372 in sales. That is amazing, but that is very typical for what I do. Now, my business is built and established. I've been at this for 40 years. I've been here at this location for 23, and I'm very good at what I do. But can it be duplicated? Yes. Are people duplicating it and getting numbers that are excellent? Yes. There's lots of different ways to run this business. We like this location setup, and we can set people up in locations. It's turnkey with everything they need. Signage, the kit, the training, lettering on their vehicle, Google Places, the contract, the works. Or we've got people that do big fleets, like Avis Rental Car. We got people that do big trucking companies. We got people that just go mobile. There are lots of ways to do this business. But anyway, we are a mentoring training company. That's what we do. And we have really helped people. We got people that call us all the time and say, "You've changed my life." You know, that is such an empowering thing. What a great thing to have being said to me. And, you know, we'd like to help some more people. So if this is a business that you're interested in, go to crackeraser.com and look over our stuff, look over our locations that we have now, and give us a call. I'll be happy to chat with you. Thank you.